Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
The doctor Ose Owusubonsu or your lecturer or your Methodist University College or your political analyst. Yeneno in common fine. Sama who do be home and the Eguya Preso. Dog Yamaha.
Ya eja.
Ebo mo to say.
Ami adumo now so.
Nyame adom ko de acheyen. Yeda se sa waje brena ne ba bedi nkomo. Ana wie yan hwei. Die di kan eye NDC. Eye womo parliamentarians bi a womo te so dada. Nenso omaye omadwen se womo enko biem. Na ye bisa se ba ne sa na ebetimi ya ha amanyoko no kwan bi so ana.
Edika mechia tifo. Ni nyina begina replacement ya on the beba. Mejidi se nipa de nka oche no onya experience. Nti no nka omo dada no a omanya suahunu. Omo ebebo party. Nanso so no ntimi ntra parliament of forever. Nti so omo ya good replacement ya. Nipa bi wo okra na uti ya de ntentem se no obi ohodanda no. They depended the replacement of the baba.
Na good replacement na no why. Wana ye beka so we die.
Yentia kasa ne se obi o ha wa chair of parliament ho. Enso yente se wa sori agina ne na so fro ho. Oye contribution da. Obi so ba first year no an kasa no kwati no se the contribution no. Ebo parliament no mine no. Enti no ye can experience ya enye necessary say number of years ya wodi wadimadim. I thought there be a nipa no experience from outside into oba utimi sua de no ntentem. And so we are parliamentary leadership na we here NDC ye say ya meni ni say Haruna Idrusu ye we babi firo a ono no wa chair of parliament yo ye wo wi o ha oko 93 ebisi na oda so ho enso yente so kasa ho da wo hwe wo mo chief whip ne de keke ka ho a ndi nyina nyina nipa no experience ya wonya no ba bi a wo de ba kano ni good replacement ya meka no
na eba ne sa na abatuo mu no ebia no so betima nya nsusu so bi o party de so
menyi ndi sa because the primaries in our beko in the primaries and that's almost no much to nipa by marketable.
Okay. Obetumi puli vote so e de aboa party no.
Sapepepe.
Na aya na ye kasa experience ye hia ewo ye Ghana mracho bedwafie de tichiro wo ne ye honorable chairman sabunsu no mkasa aya wo mkapa se wo mbenya na je se de bia no ometimenya womo a ewo experience chese adadafo a wombetimi aboa eye Ghana mrahye bedwafie no adwuma ana no kire se bi ebinu mo ho a omokọ a womo ntimi make impact bi because ye binu mo a the likes of Kojo Upon Kroma no many idea womo ekọ first time but ye hu kwan a womo fa so contribute to eti ana no na de na nka munti ama saafo no etimi ko ba ne sa.
And you know, can say experience in your number of years you were the baby. Yemfa ya brabomu a setran heavy bit say Obia kaka baburu 30 years. And so trying to come one cannon could do now yam shisho. Obisu see a kaka fekra mai. And so Timotum say you're comfortable. They did the same thing in parliament who also said the Wadikabo Minister for Information Dean. You be to say, and Bruce Davis say, but the first time about parliament, no can people leadership no, because of experience, be a no young baby and son over. Intimidating yakin say, one moment to one young woman to now, Sada.
Obeso kase, we share a ye fifu quite nom, maybe an any pebby, I imagine saying, come with the umber because ye share baby a woman one. Oh, fap. Primary cinema and the TBA and Edia Obeka Ragan and Rashibe or NDC tickets. So then so one decided saying you don't bet to us to be. I just say a BB Sanaki Yashe se wo ye betumi de abasobodi mpo ama o mo se wo makwa aduru bem no mo fo se wo eye wo obi nso mra no ma beto aso.
Two things. Ebetimi abo ma baso se o mama afoforo kwan se o mo so mra. Eto da bi oso a obi oso hwe enema yakoso na bi a primaries no be kono wan hwe na akolusu. Nti ene no no asi fom. Se de be ya de be ka so no na ojaye na emom ye obi na yi ne fe ho. Nti no we can look it from the other angle.
Na aya na obi wo ho be kwa mraje be dafu kura na ne wo mo ka se pressure da wo so. Pressure da wo so nso enya de ombeja yo. Ho mbe to aso akwa. Eno so ana ka bibi che wo ya manwose mu ana.
Eno de say it say wo mo tie buruchire. Oba o se buruchire ye ebi obi o tie person le no ko so o ho nye kura enso oba oni na nsa no asako. Indi sana politics so akoye. Obi anya ni tia kushim. Ebi adwuma bi anan ko oye kura no wagya ya managija. Indi wo sanda chi enye yi. Indi ene na obekoso atena ho kusi se de beba.
Yesha aye executive secretary to aye IGP and the ordin adwuma to ho a oba aye amanyose actively ono so akwakofa form sa obegina. Ade we beto no emu nsema ideja na so adwen kire wo ho ne se.
Me give this constitution ni kire se the position na no wo na as a policeman and yet all ye active police. In the time when ye at policeman no me give this will be and so ye politics. In your resign sana or kofa nomination from say or person okujina. In memu de me give this or near Bolivia.
Eti woman na ka se na kwakwa se waye mo ebi kura ka se wagu aye police adwuma no hu fin ene many honorable collins osu amankwa ka sa na so abia na monto edi ase wagu police adwuma no hu fin na se wo ne safo no aye adwe enye yi
me no mo ya adwe enye yi every say emra na se so wo position bi ana wo adwuma bi se wo service ni ada sensitive position ya na so person obey politics ya for wadwuma no to ho. Oyo mama pa odi mrasuti what na adwuma to ho eno wakofa forms menyi ni se honorable osu amankwa no se okofa forms papa kofa form no se okostand for NPPA ko beka de okan ye no.
Right na yehwe eye sadia abato no enhyehyɛ ko ene wo hwɛ eye sadia manfo ho keka wamode epic forms no obeka say yes the others say ndc amanyoku no na attractiveness no akosoro ana
menyi ni sa se obi onye ndc ni bi enu akofa forms ni per their constitution no antana betimi abefa form no as oye card bearing member of the party for a number of years. In the only packro qualify no more tears or medicinal primaries in one. Let me say at the man wedding number, or more members and air cost standing. A year could be filled by beer on your member, no member or say, will be a tiny barber standing now. Will be a young man who shall be your member, a coffee Indian as I attractive with the attractive people from outside the party. But one constitution say, as a would party the moon. In fear to do be and son what me understanding. And in this other idea, and I can be a alcofa card piano or your member da.
Okay. Na yeka se obi ewo obi wa ba adwuma bi mu a emra na ma ho kwan so obeye active politics na. Eno na ne sen se nipa na ye card bearing member eno determine say is into active politics ana.
In natural fact, and Cambrano Martin can say, Okodom political party be. Say, a card bearing member, Omo committee, and Okubi, and our original Bontin openly. Maybe our Kamu, Omo near Massassim, and now I say, Omo t-shirt, air campaign mao. But at the same time, independent to Aba. In the ones or two about there, that is or any party be name of yes we in
because I don't know ebi bisa say ebi a police officer yi Superintendent Peter la cheni tobu ebi ana yenim say obawo party card ansa na wadwe hu mpo hu say obakwa contest e wo wa west wo etina sabre no wo service mu nyina na so party card wo ho etia no net say mfomso bi wo ho
at the time I know party nim hu no dia me say na mfomso so oye police at that sensitive position now oye card bearing member of a political party. But for reason we answer now about the who said be a brady between our children.
All right. Yanko abemu na yanhwe eye aban sika eye $275 million $1 million to every constituency. Yes, 2018 the echo. But na Ghana for bi nim ka say omo de omo hu hwiyo because $1 million enye sika kuma they be better say ye di bia mechanized boreholes and I say omo de water system the omo friend water system ye di BC ultra modern toilet facilities ebi when say there be enye enough because $1 million the sika emu odu dog when is half one be adwen
yeah me gidi say esa banu me yehunu ye onu awo ye ena the sa $1 million no so ye see any differentiate between the two projects or levels of projects ya ekoso ebeye din say betimi age di sa $1 million no eko constituency because here the constituency this is a quangran you know and you could say so $1 million no be di be kwai in the earth is a bano was city career say national government win or no SSO ye. Now $1 million no so no. Aduma win na ese in the basa no ye de ni de chile betimi asese you say ampa $1 million no. E code district no na ye nya value for money. Na se anya ne sa na ye ja no watrasa dia it is difficult to believe say sika no kwampa
because the yenim say aban bia ba oye mpuntu nyuma wo eye aba trumpet we ya hodo yi so say ya kwan say yesuku adan nsuo nsem ya ye ken ejanan bia yi yenim say aya o moses but say na bia koba say ejanan bia bi koso yes $1 million water system nsuo nsem yes $1 million ni bi say da wo ken kra kwan na ye yi akwan oba bi yes $1 million ni bi ene ya de kwakoya na say Abayana Kasano, the routine development activities and also infrastructural activities projects are all no. And no, a quack say yet to me who soon near them.
Oh, yes, I had to send a common found no one. Megidi say, Yana assembly no discuss it. During the assembly meeting, Emo say, oh, a class machine, yeah, project we say now also. In the list, assembly members will say common founder by Winnie dear. In the immediate sounds $1 million no. Almost Munkunya na catalog name or day. In the city before Fruby so cost in Persuano Soa, near who's the central government in say ya ma assembly no discuss am one determine the pesa $1 million in the beya any na koye boachi bidi
because when also ma aye needs assessment wo mo ahwe aye no ma hia aye manfo no ewo mention ni mo eti sika ne ready a sa needs assessment no mo ye no eno eno mbe follow na mo de hu se wo mo de kwakoye de manfo no kan ye no eno no kwakoye ama mo
yeah, me did say, Obintimin Trank and Hasi. No, no, timid determine the mimic here. Name come ma assembly for na year, and personal representative who determine say, crew we say, no quine, crew we say no, the bomba la trace, ahasefo hia nsuo ɛne saa nneɛma nketenkete no na sɛ mmom aban no koraa nye ne representative no ɔwɔ mansin no mu ɛni na mmom ɔno abɛ monitor fine na mo amote yɛsɛ na mo dwene ma ɔmɔde a menyi ne sɛ ɛbɛboa
but adwene ma no mom no deɛ wɔn sɛ ɛyɛ manfoɔ na na ɛde ba nti na kyɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ bi asɛ bi obi tenkran ha ɛna ɔdwen biribi de ama ɛyɛ manfoɔ no wɔn sɛ wɔn na ɛde ba
wɔn na adwene wɔn de wɔn pɛ ho deɛ ɛna sɛ nipa na ɛte hɔ no wɔn betumi adi akyire ahu sɛ $1 million no ɛyɛ ampa sɛ aspɛnde.
Okay, iti yɛn Ghanafoɔ na ɛyɛ binom adwene sɛ wɔn mu hu hwee no yɛn no kwan bɛn so ɛna yɛbɛtumi afa na ɛdi wɔn ho sɛ ampa $1 million yi mepɛ so aso ebi aba abɛdu ɛyɛ biribi amfa so deɛ ɛbɛso me so.
Megye di sɛ district assembly no ne the individual assembly members no ɛna ebetumi aboa yɛn ama yɛn hunu the $1 million project a ɛrekɔ so wɔ mpɛsua no so.
All right. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ɛna yɛ Canada adwumaku a wɔn yɛ nhwehwɛmu de aba bɛtu dwa sɛ ɔyɛ best president in Africa. News yet was saying, Doc.
Yeah, Martin news, na minya that didn't follow. Apart from them, some born near money, it is a free education, that is PSHS, any planting for food, Maintain the other a year, a man or more cancer. It's a very difficult to make us say, Mejitum and answer Minuntum.
Na what share a year so far, no man and not dear Guaquemu, oba ye, a pro-poor policies, or they just say, Sabi, and your phone so a bedi ye, nominate dear, Saki indicators and yet the Totonwa, and to me, Pediana Congo.
Oh, but you say a bit to me, a Pediana Quanimu, you have a bit is a free education and free SHS now. Megye di sabo nipa bebre and currently a new curriculum one almost prepare for tertiary education so it means implementing here megye di say and also the education sector and kwa dia waye no megye di say so ani o share Fourth Republic here government bi enu awaba within the first year of the terms of tenure of office, what in a major project to be to say free SHS. About by 7th January, by first week of September, now free SHS no implemented. Meaning is a BS Ghana has it that.
Okay, na ya ne bi ka se aban yi ba na aban bi enu awaba wo hwe eye ne capital expenditure yebehun sa ban no ashede ye bibi pa no aya na first year no ana impo first 2-3 years no untimi mfa measure aban no age bi a wakọ no second term ana mpo se akọdanim kakra ansa na yetimi ehu etiaba ne sa na aban no yetimi de susudua mpuntuo se amanfo pese omuhu bibi yetimi de ho sobo no so was sa period anymore.
Oh yes, you drive by if you are we share aban no intention ne kasa yemu ene niema ode agu kwamu a otimi hunu se aban no yasa manhye na aka ho a obetimi ayadwuma papa so dem dey ka kan say we free SHS no it was very capital intensive project now within the first 9 months of the government in power no timinya akokodo implemented that policy na megidi say yebitimi agina no so ene niema bi ekeka ho aka say abano aye bibi.
Okay. Doctor say usubonso yebeda wase ena wie yi say woni yen edi nkomo.
Bezo da wase.
Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.